In this session, I'm going to use Tally to talk about making sure your reports get created from live sessions. We've had a few instructors or clients reach out to us saying, I don't see my reports from a session I completed today. The most common reason for this is the instructor either didn't finish the session or thought they finished the session. I want to show you three things here. First, if a session is in play and you've answered a few questions and you want to end the session here, but the report is important to you for the questions you've answered up to that point, the best way to create a report is to go up to the gear wheel and click on End Session. And this will prompt you, save a report or don't save. And this will close it out if you hit Don't Save. Another thing I want to show you, and I'm going to deliberately close this, go to the builder here and launch the same session. Now, we did not properly close out the last session. Anytime I reopen a session, it's going to prompt me you have a classroom session in progress. So if you're one of those instructors and you realize I didn't get a report from a session I just completed, go back to the same browser, launch the session again, and you'll get this prompt. Click on Rejoin, and it'll take you where you left off. In most cases, you just need to advance to the next slide. In this case, we didn't complete the game at all. So I'm going to quickly just go to the end question. Now here's our final points, and this is what commonly happens. People get to this point, they've answered the final question, and you need to go to the final slide at the end that gives the results or congratulations to whoever won. When you see this page, your report has been sent. This is when the report is created. One way to check to see if you did in fact complete a session is have any administrator, or if you're an administrator, simply go to Users, look at a specific user that says they don't get a report, click on it, and you'll notice over here under Recent Activity that I have a session called Billionaire Boom that was completed twice, but today it was started but not completed. So that's one way to check to see if a session was not actually completed. If you have any other questions or problems, feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next presentation more engaging. Take care.